Every day, we discover new things, and it's always been this way. Our history is a quest for discovery that has helped us understand and travel our world, uncover our universe, and explore the universe within. Along this path of discovery, we have achieved things we never dreamed were possible, enriching our world, creating solutions to the challenges we face, and propelling us ever onward to newer and greater discoveries. Right now, there is an exciting world awaiting to be explored. How can we seed flowers in the desert? How can robots explore the deepest seas and soar beyond our galaxy? How can we make materials that allow us to be invisible? Perhaps you like to experiment or be an inventor. Be a part of this adventure. Become a discoverer. Science Fair, enrichment programs. Join us. Contact WEP at kaust.edu.sa.